Hey guys, are you looking for the proper gaming mechanical keyboard with 8K pulling rate and all other stuff, and even more, but in a full size? I think I found something really cool for you. Okay guys, I know everybody love gaming keyboards and usually it's 75 or 60%, but sometimes we need a proper full-size 100% gaming mechanical keyboard, and today I have exactly this model. So let's dive into the review. GK104Pro version from SKYLOONG, and you can see that I have a SKYLOONG 3.0 screen, and we have a full size, and we have a really unique keycaps and switches. It's tactile switches. So let me show you everything one by one. Let's start from the package, right? Apart from the keyboard, you will have a user manual, you will have a USB cable, you will have a switch and keycap puller, and a lot of other stuff. So as you already saw, we have a divided spacebar, right? But if you don't like this, you can have a one normal spacebar, and that's why you have this stabilizer, separate stabilizer, and also you have a set of keycaps, and in this set of keycaps you have a one big spacebar. Also we have a spare switches, right? And today I have a KTT Rose Sea Blue, and they are tactile, but I will show you this in a second. We have a USB-C to USB-A dongle and some small accessories. Okay, from the layout point of view, you can see that we have a full-size gaming mechanical keyboard with a numpad, even with calculator. You can switch to the date and percentage of the battery and connection type, but you can switch to the calculator, like, you know, I don't know, 2 plus 2 equal 4, and you have it, right? It's funny to say. Also, you have a spot for the screen. You can have another 6 buttons instead of this one, but you also can have a screen, right? And you can switch to different functions, and you can see like date and all of that, and you can customize through the driver and through the software. You can download and use some Windows server to see the data from your PC and all of that. It sounds a little bit too complicated for me, but if you want, you can do this, right? In my case today, I have a 3 knobs. It's just great. They are metal and they can control different stuff. They can do zoom in and out, they can do music stuff, and they can do application switch, which is just awesome. And on the main side, you have a kind of 75% of the keyboard with all keys, with double spacebar, or you can have one spacebar, you can have a F-row keys and all of that. And today you can see that I have a special theme of this keyboard. It's like red and dark gray or black with golden accents. Looks just crazy cool. Okay, let me show you closer several keycaps so you will understand what kind of keycaps you can have, right? Let me show you closer. They're kind of double structured, right? On the top side you have PBT Legend, and on the bottom side you have a transparent part of the body, so you will be able to see a really cool RGB. I will show you in a second. From the switch point of view, I already told you that this is tactile switches, and it's really cool because they sound amazing, but I will show you a sound test in a sec. And if you want a proper tactile switches, this one is really great. And name for the switches is KTT Rose Sea Blue. Under switches and keycaps, we have a proper mechanical keyboard structure with polycarbonate switch plate with a switch layer for better sound dampening, and we have south facing RGB, right? Let me switch some bright RGB so you will be able to see it. So in general, with this semi-transparent keycaps, this keyboard looks really awesome. Okay, now from connectivity point of view, you have a switch on the back side. You can switch from Bluetooth to wireless and wired connection. You have a USB port. On the back side, you have super cool metal plate, and behind this plate you have a 8,000 milliampere battery, which is a lot, and basically you will have a lot of hours or days of work from one charge. Inside this keyboard, I already checked with a keyboard inspector, you have 1K pooling rate chip for wireless connection, and you have 8K pooling rate for the wired connection. And I really check, and it's true. So it's pretty amazing, right? So it's not only about Hall effect magnetic switches and keyboards. Also, you can have a full-size gaming keyboard with also 8K pooling rate via USB connection. Okay, now let's do a sound test and RGB test. Okay, from RGB point of view, you can see that we have a lot of different functions, right? We can switch this to different colors and schemas and brightness and speed of the change of the color. So you can always select and customize up to your needs, depending on your, I don't know, mood or desk setup or whatever you want to have as a RGB light and color. So guys, in general, what I can say, if you're looking for the proper gaming mechanical keyboard with 8K pooling rate, with all gaming function, with a Pro driver, with a pretty huge screen, which is by itself like a separate computer, definitely you need to check this out, because this keyboard built from the really proper material with a proper structure, with all latest technologies inside. But if you need a full size, this could be your real choice.